Hey everyone. So are your reports in Xero not loading? Maybe you open a financial report and it just keeps spinning, or the data doesn't appear at all? Yeah, that can definitely be frustrating, especially when you need those reports for accounting or business decisions. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Xero report not loading problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, try refreshing the report page. Sometimes the report simply fails to load on the first attempt, and refreshing the page can resolve the issue. Next, review the date range or filters applied to the report. Incorrect filters or a very large date range can sometimes prevent the report from loading properly. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can interfere with how reports load in Xero. If the report still doesn't load, try opening Xero in a different browser or using incognito mode. Sometimes extensions or browser settings block certain report features. Some browser extensions like ad blockers or security tools may interfere with reports. Try temporarily disabling extensions and reload the report. Sometimes the issue is related to Xero servers. Check the Xero status page to see if there are any ongoing outages affecting reports. If the report still doesn't load, contact Xero support. They can check your account and help identify the exact issue. And that's it. Most Xero report loading problems can be fixed by refreshing the page, adjusting filters, or clearing your browser cache. If this guide helped you, feel free to explore more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.